for today only. Once again, the 309 train to Kew Gardens and Penn Station will now depart from track 1. Please use all available staircases, escalators, and elevators to move up and over to track 1 for the 309 train to Kew Gardens and Penn Station. 309 train to Kew Gardens and Penn Station now arriving track 2. Correction, 309 train to Kew Gardens and Penn Station now arriving track 1. Kew Gardens and Penn Station now arriving track 1. Please do not attempt to board the train on track 2. This train will not receive passengers. Stand behind the yellow safety lines on track 2. Attention Long Island Railroad passengers, please stand behind the yellow safety lines on track 2.